In recent years, the field of natural language processing, NLP, has witnessed a remarkable transformation, driven by the emergence of large language models, LLMs. This course explores the foundations, applications, and societal implications of LLMs, as well as the challenges and opportunities they present. LLMs, such as the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT series by OpenAI and BERT by Google, represent a paradigm shift in NLP. These models, equipped with billions or even trillions of parameters, are capable of understanding, generating, and processing human language at an unprecedented scale. The introduction of the transformer architecture, with its self-attention mechanism, has played a pivotal role in enabling the success of LLMs. This architecture allows the models to capture long-range dependencies and contextual information efficiently, leading to breakthroughs in various NLP tasks. The significance of LLMs extends across diverse domains, from text generation and translation to question answering and chatbots. In text generation, LLMs excel at producing coherent and contextually relevant text based on a given prompt, powering applications such as auto-completion features, dialogue systems, and creative writing tools. In language translation, LLMs have revolutionized machine translation by achieving state-of-the-art performance and enabling zero-shot and few-shot translation capabilities. Additionally, LLMs play a crucial role in question-answering tasks, where they extract and generate accurate responses from textual data, contributing to advancements in information retrieval and knowledge dissemination. However, alongside their immense potential, LLMs also raise significant societal impact and ethical considerations. Bias and fairness issues in LLMs have garnered attention, as models trained on biased datasets can perpetuate and amplify existing societal biases, leading to inequitable outcomes. Addressing bias and promoting fairness in LLMs require careful data curation, model development, and evaluation processes. Moreover, concerns about misinformation and disinformation propagated by LLMs highlight the importance of developing robust detection mechanisms and fostering media literacy among users to combat the spread of false information. Privacy concerns are another area of ethical consideration, as LLMs trained on large-scale datasets may inadvertently capture sensitive information, posing risks to user privacy and security. Establishing ethical guidelines and regulations governing the development and deployment of LLMs is essential to ensure responsible AI practices and safeguard user rights and interests. Transparency and accountability are crucial principles in this regard, as they promote trust and understanding in AI systems by providing insights into model behavior and decision-making processes. Looking ahead, the future of LLMs holds promise and challenges. Advances in LLM research aim to scale models to even larger sizes while improving computational efficiency, enabling applications in multimodal understanding and lifelong learning. However, addressing open challenges such as bias mitigation, model robustness, and environmental sustainability requires concerted efforts from researchers, practitioners, policymakers, and industry stakeholders. Collaboration and knowledge sharing are key to advancing the field responsibly and ethically. In conclusion, large language models represent a transformative advancement in natural language processing, with far-reaching implications for society. By harnessing the power of LLMs while addressing their ethical and societal implications, we can unlock their full potential to enhance communication, enable access to information, and drive innovation across domains. As we navigate the complexities of deploying LLMs responsibly, it is imperative to uphold principles of fairness, transparency, and accountability to ensure that these technologies benefit humanity as a whole.